Okay, my loves, you all are going to have to excuse my appearance. I just wanted to hop on here right quick and show you guys that I received my hair from Yummy Hair. My girlfriend, she recommended this hair. She said this is the only hair that she purchased, and she is a weaveologist. Out of all of my friends, she do not do hair, but honey, she know the most about hair, more than the hairstylist. So this is how the package come. Thank you. Thank you from Yummy Extension. Okay, well, I'm going to thank you if this done right. The little bags, the little satin bags, Yummy. So what I ordered was, I ordered 3 bundles in a closure. This will be my first time wearing a closure. Okay. And my total came up to $547.21. Let's open this up. I need to move this back, so let me move y'all back a little bit. Okay, we are in my sewing in my workroom. Okay, this is my work area, so excuse the appearance. So this is Yummy. Let's say Yummy out here, the little satin bag. Okay. Yummy Extension. It's a card in there. Yummy Extension, 16-inch NW. What I ordered was the raw Cambodian natural wave. My friend told me to get the Lyle, but I got the raw, the natural wave. I see what people be talking about the smell. It doesn't stink, but you can, it smells like shampoo. It smells nice. But I don't know if it's natural, if it's normal to see like the split ends. You see this already? And I just got the hair. I'm gonna have to ask my friend, is that normal? Because I don't like that. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I don't like that. So this is the first bundle. Let's try the other bundles and see how they look. I'm just gonna take them all out. See, this one had this card on here. This one didn't. So this is the 14-inch. This is the 14-inch. And it's like that also. Y'all see all this? I don't know if that's normal for it to have all these little flyaways like this. I hope it's showing up on the camera. It says 14-inch. I'm going to get my measuring stick. Let me get my measuring tape to see. Okay. Let's see if it's actual 14 inches. Guys, this ain't no 14 inches. I'm straightening the hair out. Okay. Well, I guess they count the little tip. The little tips. So I guess this is 14 inches. Let me make sure that this one is 16 inches. I don't like the way this hair look. For all this money I paid, I don't like that. With all this, I do not like that. This hair is not This hair is not 16 inches. Oh, well, yes, it is. Here's the closure. This is my first time ever getting a closure. It's supposed to be a 5 by 5 inch. The closure look better than other hair, but it still got some flyaways. Let's see if it's 5 by 5 inches. So yes, it is 5 inches across. It is 5 inches down. So this is gonna be my first time wearing a closure. I'm gonna come through this and see how it look. Like when you do your park and stuff, your parts. I was watching this girl on YouTube and she was saying sometimes it be too spacey in the middle of the closure in the frontal. It'd be like too much gaps. So I don't know, this seemed pretty cool, but I do not like how this look. But guys, tell me, I don't know, because I normally wear curly hair. You know, when I purchased straight hair before, it wasn't like this. You know, it was like, the hair was like smooth all the way down, you know. You didn't have this many, I don't know if you call them flyaways or what, but it didn't look like this. We will see. So I hope my friends say that's normal. I really do. So these are the cards that they include in the package. Yummy extension, hair care tips, scan the code, something new, just promoting what they supposed to do, promote their stuff. So yeah, this is my review for Yummy. Yummy hair. I'll let you guys know how it turned out. Excuse my appearance, honey. But if I had to get dressed, y'all wasn't going to get this box opening review at all. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this hair again. And the closure does not match the hair. I was hoping that the closure did match the hair because I didn't want to have to dye the hair right away, but this is just too off. I don't even know if they tried to match it. I would have preferred them, well, whatever. It doesn't match at all.